Hey guys, in this okay. Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to install Android Studio Canary 5 of Electrical Eel, and I have already installed it on in my PC. Here you can see, and it is having the most powerful feature of connecting the your monitoring your physical device. I have already connected it to my PC using ADB uh, Wi-Fi. I'm monitoring it with my Wi-Fi. So we can actually monitor our screen with this version. That's why I switched to this version. So let's get this started. Oh, for first you have to open the browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Brave here, and just type Android Studio, and here we will see the first site, and just click it. Now what you have to do is you don't need to download this version because you might already be having this on your PC. So just tap here on the preview. Okay, so here you can see the beta build version and Canary build. Just tap this and click here. Just accept this agreement and just click here. Once you will click here, it will start downloading the file. And I have already downloaded this in my PC. You can see here this the same version what is showing here. You can say to 1.1. Okay, it's 1.1. Okay, yeah. It's 1.1 and 5 says that it's Canary 5 version. So after downloading this zip file you have to extract it. You can extract anywhere, but I will recommend you to extract this zip file into the program files here where the original Android Studio version is already being installed. So open this program files. Here you can see Android folder. Now I have already created this folder. You have to create a new folder here of name Android Studio Canary. You can name anything, and here this is the path where you have to extract that zip file. Once you extract that this zip file, you will see files like this, because there isn't any option to directly install it from there. So you have to go to this bin folder, and in this bin folder you will see this studio.64 sorry studio64.exe. Just double click on this, and it will ask you if you are doing it for first time, it will ask you for the installation like custom install or express install, whatever it is having. So go through those installation process, and it will also ask you for downloading the emulator, and you can download it. Or okay, you might be familiar with this and Android Studio installation processes because you have been downloading Android Studio official version. So it's pretty simple, and just don't forget to pin this to your start menu or to the taskbar, or just create to the desktop. Create a shortcut to the desktop. Okay, so it's done. And one more thing I would like to tell you let me tell you how did I connected my Android device. So what I have done is, let me disconnect everything. Let me minimize. For to disconnect, you have a command adb disco. Okay, disconnect. You can see disconnected everything. So now I can't monitor it. So to if you are connecting your device for the first time on your PC, then you have to go to the developer section, and from there you have to uh, enable debugging, USB debugging, and you need the USB cable. But if you already been connected your device before and you haven't restarted your Android phone, so what you have to do is just type adb connect, and the current IP address of your phone. Mine one is 192.168.1.127, and colon, and I'm using TCP PIP triple 4 times 5 because there isn't a notification of Android debugging. So once you hit enter, it is connected to this. So after it is connected, you can just monitor this screen from here. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, so just like this, and if you have any query, just comment below. I'll be answering those instantly. Thank you.